Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I am so excited because Ladybug Glow is back and they're back with this new palette. This is the Floresta Inverno palette. Hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And it is a 10-pan palette full of beautiful mattes, beautiful shimmers, specialty shadows, very interesting shimmers in this palette, as you will see in the two looks I'm going to create. And this is one of the looks. I've had this look on for about 9 hours already. So if you like the way it looks, definitely stay tuned so you can see how I created it. This palette is going to drop on Friday, February the 6th. I do have an affiliate code and it is Steff10 and that will save you 10% off of your order. Also very excited to announce that not only can you get Ladybug Glow on their Etsy site, but you can also find them on the Gourmand Girls website. So two of my favorite indie brands all in one place. You guys want to see the looks I'm going to create and how this palette performs? I'm even going to do a wear test for you guys. Keep on watching. So I'm so excited to play with Miss Floresta Inverno today, and I'm wearing brown and cream to work, so pretty much anything is gonna go here. And I think actually the brown does look really good, so I think I'll start here with this one. This one is called Frigid. And then I think I will mix in a little bit of mulberry up here, the purple one. And then we'll play with one of these beautiful shimmers. But I love the layout of this palette. I think it's the perfect size. Yeah. Let's start down here with Frigid. And I'm using a Refer 15 Mini, and I'm applying this in the crease and slightly above and slightly below. Also work it in the outer corner. Okay, I think we have a really nice blend. Now I'm going to go in with that shade Mulberry, but I'm going to use a Refer 13. This is a deep shade, which is why we're going to keep it right out here. Maybe smudge it a little along the lower lash line, or not the lower, but the upper lash line. And just keep it right out here. We don't want it to completely take over. You know what colors look great together are brown and blue. And there is a beautiful like cobalt blue eyeshadow in this palette that I think I'm going to do on my lower lash line. Okay, so I think we got a good blend up here on the lids. I am not ready to do a shimmer yet. Instead, this is that blue shade. This one is called Inverno. And this is the one we're going to do on the lower lash line. I'm using a Refer 03 to apply. I am going to do some bright blue eyeliner in the lower waterline. Now I'm going to add a little bit of my Gourmand Girls glitter primer to the lids. Okay, so for shimmer shadows, this looks so interesting. This one is called Floresta. I think we got to go with Floresta. I mean, look at all those shades next to each other. I'm just like swirling in the pan to pick it up. But let's just see. Okay, why is this just looking silver? Where is the orange? That's a little strange. Let me see if I pick it up with my finger. See? You pick it up with your finger and it just all melts together and creates this gray. Didn't want that at all. Not what I wanted. I'm gonna see if I can apply maybe this on top of it. This has a very different texture. Well, now it's green, which I love green, but I was kind of looking more for blue. I'm sure I'll make it work once I do something on the lower lash line. So let me go ahead and take care of that off the camera, the second eye, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 1. What do you guys think? Came out a little different than I was expecting, but it's still good. I love it. I think it still goes with my almost fully brown outfit, and I love the sparkle. I did some lashes today. They are the Kiss, the new natural effortless minimal look. I think the style is white t-shirt, if I'm not mistaken. It doesn't say, but I don't know why I thought I saw that somewhere. Anyway, this is the look. I'm going to go about my day, but in a few seconds, you're about to see look number 2. All right, guys, let's get started with look number 2 with this latest palette from Ladybug Glow. I am going to wear very neutral colors to work today, so honestly, anything would go. I'm really liking this light blue shade, so I think I'm going to start here and then work my way into this shade and maybe work my way back down to this one. So let's play with those 3 shades first, get them on the lids, and then we'll see which of the shimmers we're going to play with. So I'm taking that first shade on Again Beauty E01, and I'm going to focus it on the inner half of the eye, even applying to the lid. Now on a BK A502, I'm going in with that bright blue shade called Inverno. You can see where I'm applying this, the second half of the lid, and I'm also going to be working it into the crease. You want to be careful with blue eyeshadow that it doesn't get away from you. It doesn't go up too high or too far out, because then it might look like you have a bruised eye, and we don't want that. Now I'm just touching up the first shade, just bringing it back a bit. Now in a BK A504, I'm going in with that deeper shade. It's like a dark green. This one is called Mist. And again, I'm just focusing this on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with my Moira glitter primer to the lids. Okay, now for shimmer shadow. This would be really pretty. We used that one already, and I think we used that one already. Let's go in with this one, Flora. So all these shimmer shadows, they're mixed. They're mixed with different colors, and while that one looked like a little yellow orange, look at what it's coming out on the lid. That is so cool. Very unique shimmers. I'm going to add a little bit of this shade right here, just to the center, or to the outer portion, I should say. We've got a little bit of fallout. Let me see if I use my finger. Yeah, that works. Okay, let's do something for the lower lash line. I actually think I want to go back in with this beautiful bright blue. I just love the shade. And I'm using my Refer 03 to apply. See somewhere where I kind of need to touch up a little bit right there. Take care of that in a second. I'm going to add a little bit of the glitter glue right in here. And I think, even though I used it yesterday, I'm going to go back in with this shimmer shadow for the inner corner. Perfect. Okay guys, I'm gonna take care of little finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here's the completed look. I love the way the look turned out. I used House of Lashes Iconic Light, a little L'Oreal telescopic mascara, and my old favorite, which I'm afraid the brand is probably no more, Give by Gwen Stefani eyeliner, my favorite blue eyeliner in the shade Bathwater. I'll wear test this look for you guys today, and when I get home from work, I will give you guys my final thoughts on the Floresta Inverno palette, the relaunch, rebranding of Ladybug Glow. It's also going to be available on Gourmand Girls, don't forget, on their website. But I will give you my final thoughts and let you see how this look held up for the next 9 hours. I'll check in with you guys later. Okay guys, so here is the look 9-ish, 10-ish hours after applying. I feel like I got a little bit of fallout right here on this eye, but other than that, I think the look is very good. It's vibrant, everything is in place. I do get a little bit of creasing, but it's not It's not terrible. It's not terrible, and it could be the eyeshadow primer, but overall, I would say that this palette definitely did a good job these last 2 days. Very interesting, very beautiful color story, and very unique shimmers in this palette. I would use your finger and apply them directly to the eyes. I think that worked out really well for me, and I got to use the majority of the shades. So there are 10 shades in this palette, and I think within these last 2 days, I managed to use at least 7 of the shades, so not bad. Congratulations, Ladybug Glow, on the launch, the rebranding of the new brand, Ladybug Glow, and this beautiful Floresta Inverno palette. Thank you for sending it to me in PR. Don't forget, if you guys want to pick this up, it'll be available Friday, February the 6th on their Etsy site and on the Gourmand Girls website. It's going to retail for, I believe, $48.99, and you can use my affiliate code Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your order. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Which look was your favorite, and do you plan on picking it up? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.